Dear GB, this is a GB match for 1045 against Refuses, as you can see, and I can't really pronounce his name. I ready. It's 10:59. They have one more minute. They forfeit. So you can see I send them friend requests right here. As you can see, I'm going to invite them. Invite. As you can see, Luxurator, I don't know, whatever this guy name is, he is on Modern Warfare 2. The time. Modern Warfare 2. The time. You can see I'm going to send him a message. GB man. You feel me? Too luxury, GB match. Send. He is still on 142. One more time, I'm going to invite them. Invite them one more. Look at the time. 11 o'clock p.m. You can see. It's dark. No show. No show. Alright, thank you, GB.